Here's a little project I did with the help of the Northern Tool concrete mixer. It did a great job. Once I got all the 57 stone down, I used that tamper and tamped everything down nice and compact. And then I started mixing the bags. I was able to mix 2 bags at a time, and I got 2 bags going while I was spreading the concrete out and getting it level within the forms. It took 20 80-pound bags of the high strength Quickcrete from Home Depot to do this project. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. We'll catch you on the next one.